Fish sauce is one of my all-time favorite ingredients, and although there is this idea that it is a quintessentially Asian ingredient, it has been used for thousands of years all across the world. It is huge in what is now Europe, with gyros from Greece and garum from the Roman Empire. But if we want to talk real authentic fish sauce, then we're talking ngoc mam, which is Vietnamese fish sauce. Fairly recently in Vietnamese cuisine, they've started mixing their ngoc mam, their fish sauce, with ngoc mao, which is kind of a traditional caramel, mostly used to colour foods. And this made a fish sauce caramel, which sounds very weird, but is being used in the top restaurants around the world. It is so easy to make and will genuinely surprise you with how tasty it is. So today I'm doing marinated chicken wings tossed in a fish sauce caramel. You have to give this one a go. So we're going to start by getting some white sugar to a bowl with some warm water and our fish sauce. We're then going to grate in quite a large amount of garlic. Add in some ground black pepper, give it a little bit of a mix around, and then we're going to get our chicken in there to marinate. We want this to be marinating overnight in your fridge covered. If you don't have the time to leave it overnight, leave it as long as you can. In a separate bowl, we're going with plain flour, potato or cornstarch, some baking powder, give that a mix and set aside till needed. The next day, we're going to drain our chicken wings into a pot, making sure to save the sauce, that is our caramel. Get your chicken wings to sit out of the sauce while we make the caramel. So take what we have left in the pot and reduce it till it becomes a sticky glaze. We're then going to get our chicken, get it into our dry mix, give it a nice mix around, making sure that it sticks to it, knock off any excess dry, and then we're going to get that into some hot oil. We're going to fry these probably for around 4 to 5 minutes, or until they're nice and golden brown and cooked through to the center. What you're looking for is a lovely crispy crunch off these. I'm going to get them out, dry them on some kitchen paper, get them into a bowl, toss them in our caramel, and then it's time to plate up. Get a nice generous amount of your wings. I'm going to top mine off with some parsley, some dried chili flakes, and some white sesame seeds, and I'm going to be serving that with a cold noodle salad. This was absolutely stunning. All the weights and measurements will be down below in the description. A like and subscribe would be lovely. Check out one of my other videos here, and I shall catch you on the next one.